Only then you're much Kate Eagrán and then Nero Ain proof that. Taifead. Okay. Yeah. The mystery lost episode, Sally. And Yanni much in Gra intro.
Yeah, go on.
Okay. I wish you've read on Gra intro. Oh my God, Kate does it. All right. I heard you go punching a Higna Seansálaithe! Especially Cúig agus Taman Shaw Club Chonradh Gaeilge. Don head Rio. Nero ma riv is these tavern shaw. Ein roughly dusa ves these pub shaw are totally unfounded or Harvey. Nero ma riv or Coolin bar. Egg toward Johanny the dingy quick of hugger margin. Ni Harlishan. Salagar Park. Ni Harlishan. Taman Shaw or Dusbara. La much Kolaki. Lama Hutchart. Well actually Taman Shaw. La Shamra Land dingy. Land Courage. Land Stranchery. But they much fraud. They much Courage with Jeremy. That's in plan.
Yeah.
And agus Badger níos mó na Courage. None of it. No, sorry. not to get up with the Macayu foil. Not to meanies Ganzi. Ach, and what this tawachti na go man shaw. Lamo hutch Kolaki. Lamo hutch Courage. Or Dusbara. Taman shaw. La Áine weir. Áine gajemmer that too.
Tamai gamai slush club and Chonradh.
Jesus Christ!
Ligin dirt. Sean Céidir dúsa rud ar bí BEO dhéanú I Club Chonradh na Gaeilge, so ínta sasfain seo de grabí me garcha go éigen eile ar an státe a nachta se fuimsa. Oh, agus sibh se gomáid, yeah.
Oh wow, no. It's fade Tesugin Kade and it's like, you know, Banish where it's like, oh no, it's Fui and Lanun. Yeah, no. It's Ahan Rud and Yanimage, Tesha Fui Áine. It's not how.
Yeah, vi Lucy actually aragor she called Guna Cuslamochan and Kayu Nuts der me gemain eat across the margo. Cause like Banish Mahagan dinner vi glazing unuan Nivain Sasa so come on Sulert.
Listen.
It's wasn't the bridesmaids enough.
It's been much going in the bridesmaids. I can't feel that knock bay past the Rio to man shaw fast let James fire the James Gemmer that too.
Come on, yeah. Ain't ma just for my PTSD me all a new dead of emissions Club Chonradh was Law Porrick in Ora agus hits mashes a stoide. So just be adach gun stoidishin me all pretty fucking dodgy.
Well, hold on. Be Iraq fwy na steri agus also mata like what Jai Penti ogad fwy in Amshin or hits she's na steri.
I'm sorry, it hits Joel come a finta though while we might tumble on she's the stoide.
RJ Martin.
Absolute pristine.
Beckham root and shin lie or he mealler Viern scarf root a gwidge.
Oh my God, yeah.
Sling done creator mar visha couldn't grimmer goodens I guess we nurture pianer so dermid right root cough it up towards
sorry
scarf shin.
Dr. Áine in the house ring my glan jarmer the shin. And then we'll come with the Jade yarn dirt this lumps in the Asian.
My name's James Connolly come with Road Canada. See Club Chonradh.
But we'll come to Cada Dirt Festival Lumsa because we arms to James Glock in the wallet. I guess we'll come to Cada Dirt to Lum.
Yeah, well like look, them go to scale around me all. Haas was at the Nagan Tiva Mugan show, right? Agus vi simad into so them she mar wingman ma dus ma come am love to go reims there ma Hugh them was kept go coppers. So come she's coppers.
Ní hééis sin an scéal omlan, Dir tusa tá muid chun dul coppers like a han chuig womuche agus muid fan their taxi nuair nach walk muid aon dinge. Agus me like James, níl aon dinge bhfuil aithne go arthú ag coppers.
Sílam gro James ag pointe gro se go holta gunnearn sé jarmid nach mean Hugh ag all. Agus bhí sé Jenny irt like Dalamolo go curtsa like no Hugh dirt much grow with dull go coppers.
Hugh no cave and gave be dirt tusa a goni. Nach bhfuil cefne go dirt. Yeah, níl cumne go mar ní dirt me ní harla sé.
Agus look like voch Áine get dinner kins a coppers like come on.
Ah yeah, but like
Saskaruma not fucking.
But being dog here like tusa go shagajin spar so wala it'd be like oh jeez simmer that. She's the niag mat ile fat.
Shinami muncher na tuya like the coppers.
Bean. Yeah.
So
or start. But your frog dog with coppers in the Sean now will? Yeah. Absolutely. No. Orthan aft. Agus listen, Commissioner Cargus, the Commissioner Cargus or coppers and yeah. Ferman Lloyd Dugas name Dullarish. And Chama done the Iki Shaw. I think her Dari Shaw new because she didn't be much kind of rare like Ruddy like be dooluging and the hella you know too much car so Shaw and K do Eagrán the ending it nach ruas acu.
Bhach mu a riamh samna cos a trouble bhí sin díach cos a rud a bhín sin. Jesus Christ, Hugh.
So tá fear aithne agnar chéile agus yeah. Ní truples eile. Yeah, but bhí muid chun running a jarfa again. Is muid ra, you know, cadid na rud you're doing like faoi chéile is cadid sin whatever.
Boring.
Yeah, and then just for muid seachtairt you o utsa and you've been like, yeah, so brata ha jarg da hanninge, yeah. Tá muid genu.
Ní simúla sílam.
Yeah, so tá muid chun expose like chéile
or naira gomorn show.
Yeah.
Ready granar.
Morris.
Granar all in chéile.
Yeah, more splash cell what you Sean that is a shot splash cell watch this is a safe space. Yeah, Cave and Gate. Yeah.
As Bhaile sin.
Ní dúsa. Sorry.
Current with Fáilte riv Dini Golanaku are in show no few monowell. Hig livse brat jar gará fuin. Must me live.
Well, leading Jenny Mujar Kenny Hain or Deuce and then Bishop. No. Neil Anal Garmsa.
Don't miss your absolutely cocker, man.
Nah. Bitty Garth, Bitty Grand.
Yeah.
Kate $1 so ring which what Quigger da Helen national ring which Quigger.
Oh, rinne mish ta list more agam than virtue of
more.
Yeah, just so rinne me Jarmid gromwich Dirk Nams chuig again von Hela as land mayor mascrio as vi near as hani she'd conader hishin.
No, start the rhyme or shin. That we just and made in 5 yoga.
Yeah, better good mere stop when you chuig you know fecky much.
Jenny do Erox.
Yeah. It's an irritant le raf.
Oh Jesus Christ! Agus fast the ma 18 to la end on the Brathany direction and fair to live like cheer hort fasta just to be like just let Jenny Kencha goal should like accurate for and Daniela.
Yeah.
Agus ma a Brathany direction then is a slower base.
Yeah.
Either running.
Arish is splash sandwich shaw is fedgling or fod eat the flay bishop of cark. Fash please not first.
Ik tosu le Sheelam Gerkartin tosu le Hugh.
Oh, fuck.
Sheelam, me aller, okay, the broner, but Leshain is brat jargain and Ganzi shouldn't third.
Go on, Lashka, mo minis.
Sorry, Dirk 6-packer and cool. Like, come on.
Bonsoir.
Is pickled onion who?
Is Mohi and more pickled onion for you there?
Get the bug pickled.
Agus great.
6-pack in the back, 8-pack in the front.
Agus great for sharing more Jerncha earn that. Statashin. Thruple. Never beating the thruple allegations.
And Ryan Mr. Deuce? Okay.
Okay. Oh, so Shai McKay can do so, right?
Right.
Oh, shite.
Jenny, Hugh, Rud or B for when you hour in a man ho shilta. Jenin she hour Christy Moore impressions. Mayaler gulshena freelancers ta job and y'all air feel her.
Whoa!
Dus geen gas, maar dus moet je voor bolts away Lewis TikTok.
Oh my God!
Lame pin letter.
Sorry, ten lad a sture and ad shot is these genre. Ten lad in shot. And lad.
So kinder vi no idea come on for. Oh no, dan Lewis got my walla.
No, okay.
I'll go chewing on my fucking roig.
So.
Fucking hell.
So, ring my
meanie to hen.
Meanie man. So ring my Fogger la high and gumlitter task force agus ma akim ending it like gum a cogante bell saku nish. Yeah, on time. Alright. But Ringwich Fogra, just a shul harter and car basically being like, Kajay's so fucking much gonna yeah, nish whatever. Agus Kinaku was imagine Lewis, which like bitch a really grammar, they're all my like Grammy and Lewis. So if we aren't basically and stanky leg a wooloo like so fubble just miss him or shaw like a lair. Átha Cliath.
Imagine on lad vi Tomons and Lewis raw.
Literally in front of us with you.
Kids so fuck with a lad trying that.
Hanek Shamesh mission and he was like speed up.
On collision is mulje and all even here.
Oh my God.
So
Roman carrots. And you need to rudder beef when you hour.
Oh yeah, God, yeah. Cave and Gate. So should wad nis G and that mission if you mission fairly soft and sorry. And notes option or vad.
Okay, so ta sunri ogum. So to make unbul buggerai hegi kedanella.
Fumse.
Is wannabe hipster who A maithe sa má. Agus tá pointí agam a héin le seo. Dalta maclainn drámaíochta. Fáinne go ar an bhéir. Tugann tú takeíocht in the Bohemians. Olin tú Guinness 0-0.
2-1 feel her, by the way.
Tainn tú he giganí de ceoltrí nar cúla dinner beefy as dúirn tú goni good sheet. Dogrecha.
Tá sé dogrecha. Tá Chinese football unreal. Tá sé den banna ceol dogrecha.
I say go cinál rud céan amsa ach go chumar focal difriúla. Dus ma Captain Hugh go former wear Aaron sweatshirt.
Bín sinna rud bín dinge caiú ag crunithe ag sa Gaeltach, you know?
Yeah, in O-ring.
Yeah!
But it's in the Aaron sweatshirt. So fucking shupa then the shiogi sin means acu.
Bhí an airtin ína nar chuní mehu I golí ceart ag ardeis chun na Gaeilge nuirí. Win sé actually get us mar ní ecamú mar gine a chaihin colú a riú.
Yeah. No. Yeah, but sinna rud má caihin tú rudí amaji. Yeah. Ma caiin through the amaji and Tamer fod, then they're yarning to like the bare minimum the Iraq being like, oh my god, sorry, Urker and Ladshaw, La Lena, oh wow, Lena hard tea Lena, wow, oh my god, Urker and Ladshaw.
Actually, the points out on lesson hipster is just board game on Dungeons and fucking Dragons.
Session class. No, the D&D class. D&D class,
Okay.
Brat class, Gramaya, yeah, they're thinking again,
Brat beige bidger.
No, the D&D class. If you might emerge a rare, and you might even gonna
halloumi, mythical fucking colour.
Cad the captain to go be halloumi. Please, Vin, you do. Cad the captain.
Halloumi.
I don't know. You know, chip.
I mean, tá sé sweeter halloumi fries, Noel.
Yeah, yeah.
Is Kosh it on, James?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Kosh.
Oh yeah, Ní Rowan so good.
Halloumi fries with the pull. Yeah.
No, ní lein pull. Sin mozzarella.
No, tá halloumi pull.
No.
Oh Jesus Christ.
Bulgarai.
Yeah, please.
Right. Tá
So
really.
I know more red flags.
I think we may really dear Shara ding during go may august to come James.
Oh Jesus.
So tá Hugh in a made dochrach argid a caihu le gol sira heg WrestleMania in Philadelphia agus K nachwil ein income buin again.
All right, well, fun time.
I don't know.
Shin Brat Jarug.
Shani me in the ticket edition ner V pasta gum just kai me ra. Ach tag fall me tamaga fall it canna ticket do showni wrestling at tama feel her tamaga oct show a quig la I think feel her is like in failure a punch shot so what Brat Jarug.
I'd say
Brat fall.
I'd say on in Curlesh Shin Thompson Nisha even like bonds out like wrestling as per se so
Ta Frankie should get faster. Ní gaile go hen. Nílas a capta gash la fucking halloumi, but that's a good person.
Hey, show the roast to Hugh, John.
Sorry, Glasgow. Sorry, Glasgow.
Move out though, right?
Sorry, Glasgow.
Jesus. Let me speak.
Go Glasgow.
Dá mis tá Hugh lána agus so bhí mar air mattress agus chuma love sheer agus bhfuilma cinál figurine agus dúirte ná buil agus dúirte anim is mar like what dúirte no tá anim ar gach figurine am chumra is mar like what céir dat drólam so tá like what cin tá bhí Bart.
So I feel like Kaimujin and lore a hishpan fasta. Ta na bionicles are fod ogum in my camera. Go my get Sean hey, give me my. Agus ta Áine makur fod. Ta Áine makur fod.
I mean, a wilty votes generally in a dish. Come on.
Yeah, listen, Kai Misha like yeah kid you're in the relation to Canima yet lad random on Garmin. That was like in Brunton Hortman Duhain Lawan. And also, it's Onua, Kopaka, Gali, Tahua, Gali, agus, Pohatu. Sorry, shouldn't I? Yeah. Yeah. Shouldn't a special skill. They're all more a mastermind, Sinead, and Yanin.
Ta count actually on why hagum. Ta
cén cinál tugad.
Okay, seo ceann
Sorry, tá ding éid in a Google search ar cadtá gasiste Bionicles. Agus ag tiispan na pictarí timpplair an rud.
Bionicles na fucking stick figurines.
Yeah, tá no show and tell and it's just these genres.
Okay.
Imagine the Hummel love she is one that can look at you. Oh no, what's that guy?
Osaka!
Fucking Hiroshima is like that.
Jesus Christ.
Jarg.
Cadén cead cinál. Cumid the gentle
Okay.
den sin.
So, nílach trí gent.
Jesus Christ.
So, seo ceanna bhain lené, bhí muid ar
Lené?
Bhí muid ar chláir bhleire ar radan na gailta lein ní bhresin.
Yeah, go on, Blair. Hop Áine ní bhresin.
Agus rinne Hugh absolute cock the anium an carnacht go muid tuaird airgid aga. So an carnacht go muid bailú airgid fanne nach na IPSC Irish Palestine Solidarity Campaign. Agus glé Hugh an ISPCA
But
radio náisiún dúirte go muid tuaird airgid dan bheith nuair tá muid tuaird airgid an Palestine.
But níhain just
Jabháin bhí agat.
But níhain just sin. Bhí mar rá an ISPCA. No, sorry, an ISPCC. No, sorry, an IPASC. An ASPCI. Like literally a hand. No. No, anywhere. Yeah, no. Whoopsie. And I shouldn't brought Jarg though. I feel like should just no.
So
Whoopsie.
yeah, it's an IPSC agus a handan bí flahúil nacht mar tá muid
Let the
bailú
hot, yeah.
airgid.
Let the hot, please, yeah. That is tagger, Mike.
Carnacht, yes.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So for mission on anonymous tip shot way then against Agus Durchit go will on sexual prowess look at Hugh in the hospitality. So come brought out go kinal look in the speculary so go check in go Samson and the Gruig.
Wow, Bible, we were going really. Can't maybe gonna write cost like
word for word the dude shit. Shouldn't be on.
Can't maybe gonna write like reverse Superman where it's like ni atnin to me gan mo hud specly and then they're glockum they're Kermari. It's like oh Hugh, do you remember that too?
Cé thugasteach tipsin.
Momager.
Momager Pauline.
Momager.
Ní hiigli ven seo nacht a ceoltí ra couple tip dún.
Yeah, oh Jesus, yeah. Shout out to Pauline. Pauline
Tá
Giddy.
ven seo cé na te glahí bheith.
Banner.
Right,
Okay, please, yeah, can the one yelling.
Okay, agus sim gon ceantar os a gahanana.
Oh, Jesus.
Sé blin is fiad díis agus níl iarachtar bí gente get timant go fáil.
Yeah.
Hugh McGilla Aspacara.
Hugh McGilla Aspacara, yeah, sin
sin brat jarg allwork fi sé sílam ná iaracht bí gente got. Le ceachtaí an fiú.
Look, see, bring my ceacht. Bring my couple of ceacht.
Le doami soalia.
No, take my arrogant la ban shock. That was very like Vichy Coslam aware though. It was very it was very. But ni Roshi Saslam with Hammer Pod. It was really scambion. Near Heaney she in lower heard. I think that's just arrogant. Yeah. I think just talking about quick euro that like 40-year-old woman like on shock thing.
Agus just go skipping Conzo Thompson Malat Drofcha the Corda.
Spoil him gajay?
Drofcha the Corda.
Jesus Christ. Start dashin. Start on Mogishin. Start dashin.
Vision Ishel.
Ishel. Well, listen to me. When much Ishel Foster? And Ryan would Tissin Ishel Ramat Áine. Yeah. And 18 shiv listen the Bratnishin is that anything? Yeah, don't.
Well, Brat Alex slow go Hugh.
Nah, Connie in the low she's. Oh Jesus Christ! Right, Anionish, a bit. Yeah.
Oh God.
To Ken Ogamsa, and in fairness, Tesha Lahai and Birchug of the Bronormanish go ma a Kaihu and Birchug of Fui and Mus. I know, but listen.
Okay.
And Ked Bratjarg of Yogum na go and Birchug of Gafal, Fia Shock, Fia Oct, to the Fia Shay, Fia Shock. August Teshif Gafali goose at Snapchat. More punch Chagwala.
The gunnet tagits bugshan, okay.
Usadim
she Harrod Barlome, Harrod be
Barlotte.
Yeah.
No. Bratjarg.
Or Snapchat
No, nonsense. No, nonsense behavior.
It's random Áine Dini Ekal.
Gach eile uair. An fáilhain go Snapchat agam sa ná marall go bhín sibse go fála gúsaide. Monaró sibse gúsaide bhéin an option go homlan scris agam sa go ponte seo.
Ní hé gom cytí na mBaile daine, náil se jazz a aine daine echo.
Tá se le haid pláistí. Tá se le haid.
Oh, okay.
Tá brón arm, James. Tá brón arm go to take the hit to go ponte sin.
Okay. Chéad ceann faoi aine a dheith. Má bhí aonidir riomhteo ich amach le aine.
Jesus. No.
Trí finta seach agus níl rud be níl lehéad an go mBaile. Níl House party! House party tí aine!
Up all night!
Up all night! Séar maidin, seachta maidin. And then like, tugann tú amach like, oh, cóneacha tú. Bhí mar like, oh, wale, bhí sé tí an maidin aine.
Ach tá mé coin an lucht, yeah, tá mé coin an lucht a chur ar cúpla duine stíon seo a anan an mí lom dúrna. Tá go leor daoine seo as iad na daoine dúrna den ihe ina sí lomsa ag a séach go maidin.
Tá féidir bega seo ang le giveaway a body has a wetsa man kept chun lá mar hill.
All right, curl him a anxiety, gur mai go sin just seen ta. Yeah.
A handle ich whatever it's like. Yeah, but can't
five it. More ní swear na main.
I know, but Tessa was a kind of little. I guess no, and 5 beyond as beams to fun at Latza, and then it's like, yeah, no, ta house party gonna be young English. And I was like, lad, ta shit gobber again like 3 hour and ish. In my likely,
smile him just crocodile.
Smile at party. Smile at
party. Yeah.
And Ken Ella a tugam sa na agus chance na Shaw Bratjarg dus agus chance go dingy on na 18 lumsa go to whole gaffel of friends that it's like a full-on personality trait. Do say I just can't. The higum say glockish. Got dingy will add him say well gaffel of friends. It's like a bit of a. It's
an
like
ick.
An ick, yeah. It's ick, yeah.
Thanks a lot.
No, look.
Okay, me no me sha. Yeah. Yes. Gur Sorry, me no me sure. Okay,
the ending na holishin u der shot and will figurines of good thief.
No, Neil mini Monica's og mas mini Rachel's. Yeah, gur my good.
No, Ross and leather pants.
Kai me sure vinu. So agus tag Lordini is meis mar gena is clare le versúil sa cúlra. Ní hé go mí me gcónaí garcéir, ní hé go me gafa leis ach tá sé éasca agus is sprálam clár da éasca nar tá me chin nó Chinnis Poch no Cabero or Manuel me mohu gumai. She just ever shoes a cooler, you know?
I mean, Chinnis Poch or to a handle ur akim too, because a handle ur to must see the hawk their friends.
Ni ekamu ak urahan yevi. Calm down, okay? Nero ga or beelishin. Oh, it's a very salty.
On here brought Argyle Thompson Finley Alley.
Oh no. Oh no.
Kun je more Schulerage get tent to just stuff all to put off in Machas absolutely nowhere. I get an absolute millimoike. Should amazing to get in.
And that's we can't actually target to the cost of like kangaroo, but just like
we just came to all the no, we much I think you're canny the negan sa choppa do a rihile as when my jarmad gorshogum.
You know, and I've been like magicians, it's been in hataku and it's just like in scarf on one more. It's Tisila book fast. This is just like in mage and alcohol different chart them all as the hat in it.
She don't go my like Lord Dinishan. They're like, oh class, the stash book go she of all yeah. Yeah.
Ta neighbors is these charmer shots and Shinra dollar.
Ta Dini win lasses and finchin sa charmer shot. Yeah, the front row.
And Cad can Ogamsa is near a chain to Hig Shoni Grin because Nave in a sigurd Kenner la Stada Lorch. Because Tom Jarna V2 and Shaw V2 exceed Giroc and Shaw Baldarish and
Veert and Count Shaw.
Yeah. Sorry, this is name Michigan Kaifuin Busted Tamerfod. You're walking down to Shaw Yanni Foster and Tamerfod the first year in stature because Áine ag Tosh. No, Canada Junction.
No, we met Hecklal.
No, but then in what the fire was, Groshi, ik genu guess or Cadavi in the punchlines. We she like, oh yeah, like oh shot at Jerry. Agus and Rod this massive Ion is growing Kartik. He could just mow that arm like the is sick.
Marvi, I know why he go murder the could joke. Ni she don't.
Ni him a years that. It was Stranchari.
Oh God.
It was thinking Nakro at you with
Curryman looked Or Weatherspoon's Heart and Cornell.
Or Weatherspoon's Heart and Cornell.
Sinna to Hussy Mudjani.
Weatherspoons.
Weatherspoons, yeah, sorry.
Yeah, okay, Adwali Man Counchin.
Immediately.
Yeah, Glocky Medlash and
And you'd be on it, you're right.
100%.
Seen her to this is the Weatherspoons. And Glock this and tucked her down ever or the Hebla. So it's the Instagram scale that they fucking Bratjarg over.
Yeah, but I'm thinking Enamchin, Margaret Gurn, Carja, Johanny Sierra
Sinead Bratjarg Elvi Alsa na. Gunyacha Áine agus Corte. Go an album like do shit. Thomas like Weatherspoons can talking matter should be gara.
Agus Ibrin sé Mahani bucket lan champagne.
Yeah, maybe we would have full tacht the raw. Oh, can talking. We were like I feel like going ouring now. Like,
oh yeah,
I feel like we have to enable them. Like, oh, Mavaku.
Tagging the blueberry lemonade shots. She's
like shots Sambuca because cranberry.
Oh no, yeah, Tossa Hiol na Zambucas. Bhí muid Gary Shana Ilma and Tamalig.
You've outed yourself in
yeah.
it.
Níl naira gum fin counchin, Jen and Glordy Nishan.
It's fair that gan of a naira or the Hudge Bratney Jarrog. I'm clearly evidence of that. Ní guy ein there the other presentation. And Kim Ella Tugum said na been to goni a red linja go mean to go be to something English and call, go be to something I mean exchange. Intern call TG Cahar. Ta Mujinga Carja la har tree blanish agus near Holama Rio to Exchanum and call. So I think it was Shaw just grift. Shaw just grifted at the
well, to Kyoto Dirk and Shinaragul Megamai.
Well, Shaw the tablet enablers.
Well, Tamakul Kahar and Shin Higley Shiralat. She not gossam as the core, Mar not gossam Shif Shikol agus. To sadly them to see him see Slum Hay.
Oh, I'm sorry, but Murin dishing gun Colin Alving is a thing of. Okay.
It's spoken of in hushed tones.
Thomas McKeown would be very proud of him.
On Colin.
Nolan.
No, don't touch the microphone again. No, don't touch the microphone again. No,
Yeah. Casam Kyo, Katiga Gassin or Tomailish and Merchgovan, main just a Cassu tunes Lum Hain.
Bitchin' deadly, yeah.
Bitchin' sort Ashta.
Nah, man, bitchin' class. But even like in groupie Ladini, Akma 2 Rio was the assassin I in.
Well, Kaituni Swama Kahilum.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Beidir knock down to Gagali Miniclor.
Shai Jira Coslam O'Weher. Like a realm. Ni been to, sorry, didn't know if we ner a vi Lanov Igmakalka. Didn't know if we in Skillshaw. V what he called V Lanov so for much callcar from a callcar pasta and then like couple of mediation Kermo Weher Vichy Cantlum Miracle Vichy Lordlum. Agus dirty ta Lanov Leve again Ladshaw again like Shockton. And I was like, you can banish like Blian Rivers because near Huxley Swiss or whatever. And I was like, again Shockton. I was like, can't find their institute grow like Shah Sula Plash. I can't find their road to Sula whatever. And no word of a lie, dirty. Well, you never call. So. And I was like, no, hold on a second. Vi ma can't lad OV and Punchishaw. So like near ma, it's not like near Lorma lad la Blian. And then all of a sudden like handing on the wall and I was like, into a hand with the Harley. Completely.
She's salty as Crustalat.
Costalat.
Yeah. Lauren would finish journey.
Oh my God.
It's fine.
Can journalist.
Can journalist.
Go on.
Yeah. Okay. Can the one? Shit. Can the one? Where's that? Okay. Can the na ta Rudat go mullet. Like Killian. Oh yeah, mullet daddy.
Brat jargon.
Agus. Literally, Sagora Mach she's Ingis Durchi. Oh my god, like oh my god.
It's like Will Birch.
Oh my god. Oh my god, like I can do such a good Cher impression.
Anya.
Fi would you can't believe let's share Sakar. Hang on.
Sorry, Anya.
Do you believe in life after love?
Can you go?
I can feel something inside yourself.
She missed the Michael.
Fi James a canu long go maleshkel. Fi much a canu Kajay Noran fi much a canu. Fi much a canu a whole new world Aladdin Sakar.
A whole new world.
Yeah, fi much a canu na musicals
like
like
Malik version.
And
because I'm exotic
I can show you the world.
Jesus Christ. And cin dearna tugam sa teise sais Gaeilge agus an brat agus mór tugad ná gohfuil tú ag siúlamáil le burlór tá brónarm go agus listen, is brala me.
Come on, Eshgil, tá sé sin ní seaúin dúras an nocht mar arantí agus chickadí a glacu trí Gaeilge, so ní bearlór níos mó é.
Ní bearlór níos mó é?
No, is Gaeilge ní sé.
Is Gaeilge ní sé?
Killian. Mális.
Mis na punta Guinness á ag an bearlis.
Aaron.
Aaron, fair le punta Guinness á James. Agus rud is fear is nes go seár fád taifead, so we have proof in ish gur tusa.
Right, so would you bugger right James in it?
I think would you bugger right.
The good stuff.
I think anything to reduce because you've clearly put a lot more thought into this.
Okay.
Go on. Oh jeez.
As ní lis go mu lis aga fin gan seo.
Oh.
Agnar tá James a gurí Lord fi rud saga hain. Lori sé faoi fa chunne or clig. As fiú mu yen tú iirecht an tower ahrú tain sé rash higrod saga hain. He's like, but just one more thing. Yeah or clig ní mefiú a magu.
I've been pointy mom like.
I mean, Sheelan tusa sin. Bín me is Hugh really like a géisteach as a cuidiú than Kate Lahore, and then it's kind of like, okay, so much Gary Contar Sandish as a chef host, a kind we rod gain.
Ach, then been pointy mom at esto. So like, to them down with the Rudy, and then took him pointy mash and then we were like, oh my god,
another thing.
And who would want it actually?
Well, there man Kakin, which was on Snapchat. Shin and Rod. Been to Snapchat a going.
Been to Snapple.
Scotchy.
Fuckle Connemara.
So and red flag alatogum na and poster the Barney Stinson at the state the camera.
Oh my god, no, Agus and Teddy.
Okay,
Barney Stinson Teddy.
You're my Gary and Teddy rag.
Well, such a ratio
but and Nima Shake Dalla Hollow Shamra James and just Neil Patrick Harris Stanu Arvin and Tamer Fod.
Well, it's good in bro code to see how I met your mother. Mohim
Bro code.
Could go lan into a.
That's your bro code.
Mohim go gred into could then where go shin or knows Bible.
Gospel, yeah.
Oh. Shane
Agus in fairness on poster to on on
suit up a bit.
No, yeah. It's not legendary if your friends aren't there to witness it.
Oh.
Yes, you friggin' plonker. Friggin' hell. Agus Mutedi Barney O'Flaherty.
Could you adjourn she?
Is Build-A-Bear on like it's for my Secret Santa gift out, okay?
Aww.
So yeah, thanks
so
guys.
cute.
So yeah. So yes, Tom, I'm gonna on my camera. Sorry, Hugh.
Okay, an céad cean eile tógam ná go ligan sé de Hugh as mahain an obair le dhéanú leis an podcurling.
No. Áine sin fear, James. An
sin fear.
I'm just thoughtful though.
Oh, Jesus.
James Keshwan, an yarantí riwa gohort Eagrán den na Seanslia. Céad Eagrán.
Plead the fifth, please.
Please go to an agru and get Eagrán
Eile.
And kin
Béile feicil.
No, because then Gary Shama ag ordu pinta Guinness. That's sin and rud when you ferdling yanu. Yeah. Yeah, níl pinta chatcable. Oh wait, no, she don't go to her involved.
Tá sé mala.
Tá sé fanner.
Yeah.
With the James agrees Shaka bar.
Tá sé fágal jobs again. Le job again.
And brought Jerry to James now go say Curtu Johnny. It's a fucking constant thing he's and shit. I can say, did they say Gubber man? Did they fucking
Did they go over? Got your ash job.
There's a guy against the red flags again, fair enough. Well, and red flag Ella told him because they fall pinta say, okay, it's just Astonish.
Okay. Jade the Kate can Ella.
She's an A and fucking left on pinta Guinness. So now why into culture like a breadcrumb trail. Oh, and Shogajin bar. And Tree. And Tree can talk him na agus chance go Shog it's a fast anya and shine list the car.
Yeah.
And shine list the kill I mean car.
Ní ligan sé de gwinner biela. Tuna Kershul.
No, ní ligan sé anything a Kershul or shul.
Kerr clig gabel firste.
Agus a rash tree or a rash gabal by like
Kill Tira Chonamara.
Yeah.
Agus
shut up.
Agus Kamaila sin Kiol fi Brishu Cree in Usakar dear she Oran Darvanum heartbreak and alcohol a Kershul. Níl mai magu.
Hey,
Yeah.
fear and phodchraoladh. Fear and phodchraoladh.
Sin
Hey, look, tá phodchraoladh an amsa go chulne a bhí ag canús country music le gadas nus. Agus sin an focail na Beyoncé.
Yeehaw.
Texas Hold'em. Or an nula, fucking country. Bhí sé creamer an witach an mar nus gibs ya.
Beyoncé fada vision.
Begin agus Jay-Z.
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 Zed I fadal be.
Jay-Z. Bhí sé the boot. Bhí sé the boot. Bhí sé Easty Josie. Bhí sé like oh Jesus. Beyoncé, look.
J Macahe.
Tá na boy se gur bugning country like. No, so. Go agus was like
Bhí sin Mercer
Bhí gimmers bugning Texas Hold'em so gotta skip on for him my van. Dúirtí ai.
Bhí muir chun mar mar targ dáíon seci sílam na bhí scrú an
Mars gra. Mars gra.
Híl si, do you know what?
Ní run albums a deal a Connemara because him learner. Mega do.
Rick Beyoncé Connemara, Jerry.
So just na superáúil nus. Tá just na superáúil. Tá sé tí Seaní Tawi. Tá sé tí Durcan. Agus tá sé tí Father War. So look, tá sí na go.
Bishi gigalti shade. Bishi stí.
Bishi is Thomas McKeown fucking fire. Connie Nolan by Texas Hold'em. Jesus.
A Carolina. Oh my god.
Okay.
Doesn't get canela.
Kate Canella. Tá tágram go ngurta mehu.
Huh?
Má tá drug humor níl tú ábalta a chur bhach. Well, ó the carja could be, I mean, you were like, Bénis a gwynnir tá drug humor
And
bín sé an solir.
And just to clarify, James showing emotion is a brat jarg. Sinna rod the yeah, great. Come on, put a boss more there. Yeah.
Má tatu cantala.
Bro, massage.
Má tatu cantala bínis a gwyn fwy. Sinna rhaid i gesio. Now I'm care go. Yeah.
Sorry to get fish to think he's machray.
Oh, fucking nah, hash your shenanigans.
Oh,
No,
come on.
Oh my god.
Nivi, no, this is like your definition, like hard on your sleeve.
Yeah,
so, Ain road the tar shill, whatever.
To the point where like ní lórí tú linner into má tatu cantala.
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
An ced bratjarg at ogamse na I get speckling like an ugly tar day.
Yeah.
Nurta mujinga eg wrench labu le yalla.
Needs another two to hold out keep marine like this two fucking context like.
Okay, Creedy and Aberchin.
No, ni creek now. No, nurta mujinga.
Should have brought that just reads labeling you.
Just been like antics or shulugut because
Yeah.
Antics probably in Focalus watching or Fredel Musa.
Been to gigla lat cool.
Small cuddle.
Well, actually, an Katie he's a Glen Eagle Liana vi Mableton verse lad Clusha Belders as vi James a Canu. Agus Hugh kind of like a guy, but also like shut the fuck up.
You want to giggle on me?
Bishop Cog. Oh, what you mean?
It's Lashko my Haitian.
Okay. Okay. Nah, bro, to be out of shit.
We were on one.
You're really not beating the triple allegations.
Yeah.
It's our Harvey.
Be my Belder, Shkula Meshiv. Bugger.
Yeah, well, this
Okay.
is
So, feck you much now. Mata James, Olta Galore, ni veisha fiu igeri lort latter, him we like, Jennifer like blanking earth. Mata shako holta shin, beisha giri dausa ilar nuller dausa lesh hain. Like, ni lori shalatan iha. A lig as rinne sé ag brela rute and just le sé ar nerler dausa ní achmid doni hilige ní ro sé fiú genu ireacht like gola dinnerby no lorta dinnerby just to giri the cold their hain.
See, Nurta James more a gulamat are nose peacock, so kind of change lair and earlier kind of quirtu mate or whatever, just being not even really a douse, so it's kind of just like little shoulder shimmies examination or whatever. And no the one be too genu kind of like silverback gorilla like Gary Quirtu. Agus móhim carg or silverback gorilla.
Yeah.
And then she's a reach. But it will fly on. Can't find me to just a douse that thing.
I just think small mahola their hain.
Not just.
I know it's Robin dancing on my own.
No, just like Batman. Just small venom hain.
Been to a douse to
Robin. This is my Batman. Come on, Hugh. Come on to the jokes. Come on, man. You're the comedian.
Cap me should grow to like no smile of a dausu or no Batman, and I was like I mean Batman like dausu.
I don't know, like swing out these fire poles and things like that.
But this is more stripper doc ratcha, I think. But I'm at this shot.
Honestly, don't know. Sleep back.
Tashagi van our dochan, so you know, feck you much.
Feet to game with fire. I know. Listen.
Yeah.
Settle down. Settle down.
She's the pole.
Go
on. Canoan ella, Hugh. Canoan ella.
And Ken Jarna Togamsa is Bratjarg agus been to I know it's Bratjarg agus Carr La James Matashag Textildini Badger Teven Wee da Virginia whatever Carr Janica Jarmut text her rash hoku Badger agus Shansquill allegations da Taifshu Egg Tarlu
Oh thank you again.
agus Shansquill dingy will Atnya Ogum so Arhig agus being arms to venue then Kager La Jasu K and rather one be gentle good na either Ghostala and Tamerfot. So I feel like our brat jargon we're go arms to this a costume.
Yeah, it's brat jargon my scotch in a costume shilum. Yeah. As me. Oh, actually, it's actually jazz.
Actually, it's really jazz. Yeah. Well, Ain.
Well, rather be ugly Ralph. Tá doing to Cune.
It's really they show each other, right?
Tá doing to Cune.
Wow. Wow. You have to be your mission down.
Oh, tá rudí teachta machnis.
Oh no.
Oh.
Tá sorry, me an dinne is shumras. Tá sorry.
Tá shadi. Oh my god.
I mean, wool too and sin wool too.
Listen, we were all a bit brutal like hella, so can't be RNA.
Yeah. Tá can a wander na hagum ach sílam nach jiglum fiú é rá
mar.
Yeah. Sílam grown counchin ro lodger so di yori me countella.
James, tab brown arm. No Neil brown arm actually. No, sorry.
Please.
Sílam just sulla great nín mud go ceartain iargan mata dinner be at a brat jar go cufuin. Chatanese. Tascum grow couple of dinner groggy couple of other
Great.
She Gaeilge gotcha Susan Shaw.
Come on, I don't know what you know. So what's I can
Ta Kineki, come on. Gotcha lad.
Caddy and Bratjarg. Sorry, Ergashaw.
Yeah.
Look, immersive theatre. Tomas thesis now. Oh,
audience participation.
Hashtag fringe. Hashtag seen and heard. Go ahead. Roll Ken Nuggets or Rush in the Gaeilge.
Oh my god, the ugly.
Just go together all to Hugh. Just stop a ride all in a wheel.
Sorry, another there too was Hugh, stop a ride all handing it in my heel. Fake news. Not Bregach. Absolutely.
You're like that. I just wish not. She's singing.
Yeah, I kind of wish you were thinking Ella why she's chin.
Nickname new, Hugh the Horn. Hugh the Horn.
Jesus Christ.
Horny car.
Horse that shot.
Sílam grow cean nuggets a cumáicú le náróní suúthe. Í cean nuggets. Fuoin virtuacu.
Fuoin virtuacu?
Gotcha.
Tú go ra fan so tuga mis cheese.
Fuoin.
Cadé and Bratjarg Michigan James is we do it.
James O'Flaherty. Slut! Hugh Carr. Emotional slut!
Emotional slut.
Jeez.
I think to be McLean you and Tamer Fod I just can't go to really gallant. Just made him go to co-sexy.
The Mr. just really sass now will counter be chat tomorrow. Gadisha.
Well, I think Bratjarg.
In fairness though, it's kinda flirtatious butterfly hissa.
Flirtatious butterfly.
Yeah, this is like, you know, like going too hard to groupie gives me to just like a really flirty lobe. It's me, I'm like, it's just a flirtatious butterfly, like.
Sorry.
Turn Mike Solid
Sorry, my fucking housemate. Yeah.
Yeah, I get that.
The Bratjarg Gifa and Chuck. Ifa can't in Bratjarg took it to.
Oh, shit, falling it.
She's her glue one.
Sorry, to James in a hitch flying you or an Orla, or to James in a gallant you any la bands.
Kira bocht, Neil Buhosagin so noch ni visher hasla.
No, bro.
Honestly, what's your balloon chamor? Sorry, the balloon already done them.
Oh yeah. Oh, from too much sports. Sorry, let's go. Cataro and Bratjarg.
follow. But ein team not you being Enya goffa like a friend sin kind of one. Be she goffa a High School Musical back in the day. Twilight, Harry Potter, One Direction.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Obsessive type. Yeah.
Obsessive personality. Listen.
Yeah, tá kinda bím gafal rudí. Yeah, sílam gur bé Harry Potter and ceannas fuide chuirai ach bhí Twilight, bhí High School Musical. I'm sorry, but bhí ifa gafal One Direction lum. Chuig dig na ceolcar me le chéile. So
Anya, bí onracha an bhfuil tú gafal lum agus le James. Come on now.
Monam wrote to Caihu and Ganzi sin vein.
What the fuck?
I know. Kaimud Sheelam Gadu brat one glass a hurt and virtue given ox me all go ma jigging Kate Eagrán. Kaimur digging Jasper off with.
Okay.
Agus Shane go ma inta bui grani virtue go shaham heel. Margwell. Okay, Gramagan. Takado Kadira.
Takado Kadira. You have to pass. Go well, Escal.
Tá mé inta buíoch because a bhirt tlú car gomanis agus ag glomrá gcónaí gnearn muid rud ag an inta speisialta le chéile agus tá céad Eagrán genta goin le chéile. So gra mo chrísibh. Gra mo chrísibh, honest to God. Yeah. Yeah. Tú okay?
What the fuck are we meant? Can't we think you're Lorraine?
Tú jasar off wimshinish.
Ron, I'm sorry. No, mar chéile. Can't believe what fucking kid Eagrán thing. Yeah, sames.
Come on, higla Jimmy.
No, in fairness, brought a gloss to going now, go she'd Killian if I'd them land, so she spawns some board carrot from Áine agus Hugh. Like, Kirky of a God's roof all linked ass. Few lamb mullets on. It's. No, it's Broadham Shib agus tá mai gera céad Eagrán le inda. So sinna.
Céad an gate.
Sinna tá mai gera inda.
Agus.
Could you go hand in a chindern?
Yeah.
But even to the brothers are going.
And Brat Glass, it took him to Arsha is, oh my god, too much actually emotional nation. You're my soul, shin.
Yeah.
Bitch.
Brother, she made me feel.
No, like, I think there's a Ratchagum River, but like, near a housing with Shaw, like, better like shocking the Gaeilge, I was like, Teshi Choggle of him or parts of my heel, good John in your. I'm literally like, ni Crejum goal ain knock me in the Seachtainí or more like yella, Cave and Gate. I'm like, Joy and ish. This is just my heel nish. I guess my whole sass to go shift more parts because ni vein on the end of anything yella or Harvey. I appreciate. Come on, for fuck's sake. Come on, go to the shop. Go to the shop. Come on,
Agus again. Tom was gonna wall is gonna queen.
Ni much gonna wall it. Jesus.
No.
Too much a fucking party, man. Too much gonna be
But the party is queen.
Tá Crankor atosú.
Yes.
Agus much going to be deal take ID la harga dwali den IPSC. Tá dúsin a galanta ogun o Cólach Polynigéji Maradich. Tá bar tabs ogun den nacho. Tá Gianza Radio Rira ogun. Beiger Budgel Prosecco Stinjin Kmai. So Fleur of Jazz so Tugi Rugajargid den Kush Inta Shaw. Agus Bake and DJ Jazzy Kuhn the Burka.
DJ Jazzy.
Yeah.
She let me wear my chain and my turtleneck sweater.
Shaw already just on the thing. You have got a vacation on Shaw's wall and Sean already are called to Mahars. So
now Manuel Shivan Shaw Higliv Shintu Surter Lina Kamai. I don't know Ishpunkai or file Ignask a biosugin.
Hagen IP SC SP CC ISC. PPP, CCC, PPP, LGBT.
Just let's look at this stage. It's Keynes. That's I anyways.
Yeah. That's my much. Right. Sheelam Gabation. Gurmy Moyes of vacation on the Seachtainí. Much the game, much. I'm Sheelam Macron. First park, Gurmy Moyes of Áine being shot. Club Chonradh the Gaeilge. Gurmy Moyes. Gurmy Moyes of Club Chonradh. Gurmy Moyes of Radio Rerogs. Chonradh the Gaeilge. Shaw of her. Gurmy Moyes of the Shaw. Yeah.